In this video, I'll show you how to create a payslip in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the fifth option, which is payroll. Now, under payroll, you want to head over to payroll processing. And down below, you want to click on pay employees. Now, on the pay employees section, what you need to do is add a pay run. To add a pay run, simply head over to the top and left corner and click on add pay run. And from here, you will select a pay period. Now, if you click on the drop down, this should be the fortnightly, the weekly, or your unscheduled pay run, depending on the frequencies that you have added on the pay period. Let's say we want to create a weekly calendar. So at the bottom, just simply click on next. Now, once you select a pay period, it will show you all of the employees that you pay weekly. Now, this will also be dependent on the employees. So on the right corner, you will see an option as included. And in here, you can exclude all empty payslips. You can also sort by included and sort by excluded if you have a lot of employees within this pay period. Now, at the bottom and the left hand side, you also have an option to delete the pay run as well as reset the pay run. And at the top of that, you can add a payslip message. Now, this payslip message could be anything. You can even reuse this pay run and use the payslip message as is. Now, at the bottom in the right corner, you have view reports. In here, you can view the payslips, the payroll employee summary and activity details, the pay run journal, as well as the bank statements. And once you are ready to add or post your pay run, simply head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Post Pay Run. Now, a pop up will show saying that you need to pay your employees through internet banking or other preferred payment methods. So simply head over to the bottom and left corner and click on Post Pay Run. And once you post your pay run, as you can see, it will automatically say that the pay run has been posted for the weekly pay. So at the bottom in the right corner, you can email the payslips. Now it will automatically email the employees that are set for this pay period. What it can also do is make a payment. So if you head over to make payment, in here you can pay wages. You do have to download the ABA or pay in superannuation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.